Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Glossybox,
Yay.
which I did get yesterday, but I'm just now doing. Sorry, y'all.
Happy St. Patrick's Day for you, those of you who watch. We're going to do back-to-back videos, and hopefully you like them.
And of course, these cards, I could care less. Whee!
Okay.
So, usually, yeah, the box I think is different colored every month. I don't know. It's this color this month.
I feel like that's
maybe
its
it's always the same color,
but it does change from time to time.
And it looks like that. So was this the one where it was being digital, but they went back to a paper?
I don't know.
I'll give you that.
And we were going to say an update on the coronavirus where we're at. My job, I work for a hotel, and we've lost a lot of people coming in, so that's affected my job. They're dropping hours. And my sister here.
Well, they just relocated me desks for like the what's it called, social distancing. So yeah, I just changed desks and four of us moved around.
That's what we're doing in California, at least for where we live.
Yeah. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Ico Linden's Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl.
And this says it's worth $14 for a full size is $26. I'm sorry, you got a $14 version. It says this award-winning Black Magic Mascara is enriched with a botanical shea butter blend to help care for your lashes while giving intense volume and curl.
And then the next thing is Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette, Copper Plate. So I would think this would be more like bronzer for us if we were gonna use it at all. So I might put it in a giveaway.
It says it's worth $15. It says it's first all powder highlighting palette, which features rich coppers and duotone gold shades to give you a lift from within glow no matter what your skin tone.
And then is it Chianti? We never. I gotta still figure that out. London Stamp and Drag.
It's worth $19. It says cited as the solution for the perfect winged eyeliner. This unique double-ended pen features a perfectly shaped wing stamp plus a precisely pointed tip for the best winged eyeliner of your life. Keep an eye on the Glossy Report magazine for a tutorial using this project.
I'm going to keep
that
this just to
cool.
try
That
it.
sounds fun.
I don't normally do wings
I don't
at
like
all,
eyeliner,
as you guys
that
can
sounds
tell.
fun.
So the next thing I'm pulling out is Basic Beauty Tweezers. Did I just get tweezers?
Yeah, but if you want to give me one and put one in the giveaway, you can.
Yeah,
if you feel like it, because she's got two extra ones.
Yeah.
It says expertly shape your brows with this classic slant tip tweezer, our favorite color pink. The perfectly aligned hand-filled tip grabs the hair every time for minimal effort and zero discomfort during a shape up.
We kind of tweezed a lot.
I would hope that they would like grab the hair every time. Like it's weird when they say things like that. Oh, it grabs hair half the time. Like it's
but
so
we
weird.
basically like over tweezed ours,
Yeah.
so we're lucky if we even have any. But these are the last things, but I'm pulling them out together because they're both. Well, let's see. Is one? They're both conditioners. So one says Crybaby, one says Bad Attitude. Both by Main Club.
I like the design though. It says this dynamic duo brings more to the table than Attitude with 6 free ingredients. Bye-bye sulfate, parabens, gluten, and other junk, and a mission for hydration. Say hello to volumized, softer hair after one use.
But it feels like it's enough, at least for my hair. You know?
I like everything you got for the most part.
And we do plan on changing the color of our hair this coming Saturday, so hopefully... you
can stay tuned for that.
Hopefully that works out.
I like the back of this. And also, she's gorgeous, but I like the back. I don't know why I like the back. It has all this information. Coming soon, Mother's Day, Glossy credit, Easter egg. You think you can't top last year's Easter extravaganza, but the yoke's on you. Ooh, basket full of extra special, extremely limited golden prizes. Will you find one? Interesting. Stay tuned for that. If this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about all our future giveaways, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Take care.
Bye.